Did you know that over 90% of eye injuries could have been prevented with the right protection? Depending on the risk you are exposed to, you should always find a proper way to protect your eyes. Common causes for eye injuries include flying objects at speed, harmful radiation, gas, flying particles, and chemicals. For example, an object as small as it may be can become a hazardous projectile for your eyes at high speed. Before any procedure, you must analyze the type of activity, identify the associated risk, and choose an element of personal protection. Take the necessary time to make the right decision. You must use certified items that comply with the existing regulations. Wear safety eyewear where there is a chance of eye injury. Mind the warnings and signals. Ideally, limit the work area with a rigid structure in order to protect your workmates from particles and radiation. The type of safety eye protection you should wear depends on the hazards in your workplace. You might need to use more than one protection at a time. Never wear optical glasses or sunglasses to protect your eyes. Regular glasses could even cause further injuries. Always use certified gear designed for work safety. Keep your gear in good condition, avoiding stains and scratches, which may decrease visibility. Clean them frequently, using the proper items to do so. When exposed to liquids or gas, use face shields, as basic glasses or goggles will not be enough. In case of eye injury, wash immediately. If possible, get somebody to help you. Then, find a washing station or any source of drinking water. Open your eyelids using your fingertips, making sure the water washes the affected surface. Flushing time should be at least 15 minutes long while somebody seeks medical help. If you wear contact lenses, take them off before washing your eyes. Remember that the company must provide you with the personal protection items, but you are responsible for using them appropriately.